It is my pleasure to introduce Dr. Kendall Marcus, who will be providing opening remarks. I'd like to invite Dr. Marcus to now turn on her video and unmute to share her opening remarks. Thank you.
Morning. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Thank you. Good morning and welcome to this patient-focused drug development meeting on vitiligo. I'm Dr. Kendall Marcus and I'm the Director of the Division of Dermatology and Dentistry in the Office of New Drugs at the Food and Drug Administration. Our division reviews drugs for the prevention and treatment of dermatologic conditions, including vitiligo. This is a very important meeting and we're looking forward to hearing from patients, your loved ones, caregivers, about how they think about vitiligo and what is important to them about potential treatments. We're excited to have so many people joining us today with broad representation, not only from patients and caregivers, but also from advocates, from drug companies, and from academia. It's encouraging to see this high level of interest from a broad range of stakeholders in drug development for vitiligo. I'm now going to spend a few minutes explaining the role of FDA and of drug companies in the development of new drugs in order that people here today understand where the FDA fits into the process. FDA protects and promotes public health by regulating drug development and research done by drug companies and other researchers. Drug companies are the ones who conduct studies of new drugs for medical conditions like vitiligo. When they're finished conducting their studies, they submit marketing applications to the FDA to ask for permission to sell those drugs in the United States. It's our job to review the drug company's study plans and then to review their marketing applications to make sure that the possible benefits of a drug outweigh its possible risks. If we think the company has done a good job, shown that the drug works, and described the possible side effects, and that the benefit-risk assessment is favorable, then we let them sell the drug in the U.S. This is how FDA regulates drug companies. One final point that is important to understand is that FDA cannot direct or order drug companies to develop drugs for specific medical conditions. So where do patients fit into this process? We want to hear from you today to help us understand how patients view benefits and risks of possible new treatments for vitiligo. Today's meeting is about listening to you and your loved ones about how vitiligo impacts your life and what you value in a potential new treatment. I understand that not every person with vitiligo wants treatment. We're interested in hearing everyone's perspective, but we would also like to hear from patients who are interested in treatments because of the impact that vitiligo has had on their lives. Thank you.